Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Maho Gaming, rival to Supreme Ventures, is set to invest US $10 million into expansion aimed at revolutionizing the gaming landscape. Building upon what it has described as significant growth in its video lottery terminals business over the past 2 years, trailblazing lottery company Maho Gaming Enterprises has announced it will be pumping the money into the expansion of its lottery products, including its offerings to retailers. Our commitment to innovation is evident in every aspect of Is-Easy's VLTs, from its appealing aesthetics to its advanced functionality. By introducing the only island-wide jackpot, which starts at $1 million and grows with every spin, we are setting a new standard of excitement and engagement for players. The company aims to deploy over 2,000 terminals island-wide by the end of 2025, marking a substantial expansion in its reach and impact. Investors are advised to note the recent activity by corporate executives in the buying and selling of their company stocks. The Jamaica Stock Exchange Limited has advised that an alternative director purchased 50,000 JSE shares during the period March 8 to March 11, 2024. Wigton Wind Farm advised that a connected party sold 49 million Wigton shares on March 11, 2024. Tropical Battery Company Limited has advised that a director purchased 177,000 Tropical shares on March 13, 2024. Mayberry Jamaican Equities Limited has advised that connected parties purchased a total of 4,000 shares during the period of March 6 to March 8, 2024. And Spur Tree Spices Jamaica Limited has advised that a director sold 11,839,518 Spur Tree shares on March 12, 2024. Jamaica's debt dipped at a pace that was ranked among the fastest in the world over a decade. According to international credit rating firm Fitch Rating, the upgrade of Jamaica's ratings to BB- reflects good progress with debt reduction, backed by a sound fiscal framework and a strong political commitment to deliver large primary surpluses. Fitch Ratings said it represents the third largest decline in debt burden among all rated sovereigns over this period. Only Ireland and Iceland experienced the larger decline. Jamaica is estimated to have reduced debt at the fastest pace in any jurisdiction worldwide since the pandemic in 2020. The debt decreased by 37 percentage points from the peak of 110% in 2020 to the current level of 73% of GDP. During trading on March 14, 2024, the top advancing stocks covered the investment, food, and logistics sectors on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Sterling Investments Limited US dollar shares advanced by 12.58% to close at 2 cents with 110 shares traded. Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica Limited shares advanced by 9.45% for a 19-cent price increase to close at $2.20 with 2 shares traded. Cargo Handlers Limited shares advanced by 8.4% for a $1.13 price growth to close at $14.45 with 201 shares traded. On the declining stocks that traders experienced on March 14, 2024, the top 3 losers covered the finance and real estate sectors. JMMB Group, 7.25%, variable rate JMD cumulative rate preference shares declined by 20.53% for a 62 cents price drop to close at $2.40 with 4 shares traded. 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited variable preference shares declined by 15% for a $32.70 price drop to close at $185.30 with 50 shares traded. 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited declined by 13.59% for a 59-cent price drop to close at $3.75 with 23,710 shares traded. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on March 14, 2024, registered a volume of 340,158 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at TT $4,963,666.62. Massey Holdings Limited was the volume leader with 223,166 shares, changing hands for a value of $957,854.64, followed by Scotiabank Trinidad and Tobago Limited with a volume of 50,431 shares being traded for $3,617,773.49. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On March 14, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $17.1 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $18.6 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $155.23 and bought the US dollar for $154.91. The difference between the buy and sell rate was 32 cents, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $3.98 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $118.75 and bought for $114.77. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $7.78, selling it for $202.26 and buying it for $194.48. For the credit report tip of the day, we've been looking about the hesitance about talking to your bankers regarding your credit report. Now, don't be afraid to lean on your support system during this process. Whether it's family, friends, or a financial advisor, having someone to offer guidance, encouragement, and advice can make a world of difference. Reach out to trusted individuals who can provide support and help keep you accountable as you work towards your financial goals. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.